So today I then the one kanji talk about the power or or strong, power, strong or fork somebody to do something. So don't waste time. Okay, so you work together. Okay, happy learn kanji with me. Okay, so this kanji you can say that ka 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 ឬក៏ ka okay you understand ka o ka នេះគឺជាអក្សរហិរៈអក្សរយើងរៀននៅក្នុងភាសាជប៉ុនមានហិរៈកាណាកាតាកាណាណាអញ្ចឹងកាន់ជីវាមាន relative connection ជាមួយនឹងអក្សរកាតាកាណាអញ្ចឹងកាតាកាណាយើងដឹងហើយអក្សរកាតាកាណាណាអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងកាន់ជីគឺវាមានគេហៅថាមានទំនាក់ទំនងជាមួយនឹងអក្សរកតាកណាឧទាហរណ៍នេះគឺអក្សរកកតាកណាកប៉ុន្តែនៅក្នុងភាសាជប៉ុនគឺវាមានកាន់ជីហើយនឹងអក្សរកតាកណា connection ឧទាហរណ៍នេះអក្សររោប៉ុន្តែនៅក្នុងកាន់ជីគេមិនអានថារោទេគេអានថាគឺឈីនេះគឺមាត់តោះនេះអញ្ចឹងអានេះគឺអក្សរកតែនៅក្នុងកាន់ជីគេមិនអានថាអក្សរកទេគឺChikara, it is mean that power. You know power? Yes, power. This kanji, okay, mean that chikara. You know, at first that kakiyun. This kakiyun. Okay, so you know about the kanji how onyomi show ryoku. 訓読みはA1 これ訓読みこれはカタカナこれはひらがな OK カタカナねこれはひらがなSo this that the way I remember and then example that this kanji can stand alone. You don't say ryoku. You call that chikara. Okay, when it stand alone, chikara. 100% when this kanji stand alone, you say that power or strong. You know strong. Yes. And then this kanji that I held the book. And then you, as you know, when you learn kanji, okay, then please, okay, stop, migi, hidari. It is that the foundation, the basic learn kanji. And then, okay, this ryoku, chikara. It is mean that strong, power. You know, power, it is in Khmer, komlang, Example, 力を合わせて頑張ろう。力を合わせて頑張ろう。It is mean that let's work hard by coming out strong. You know, let's work hard by coming strong. So even though you meet obstacles or barriers, so you don't give up. You try because even though you have lie, so you try to work hard and inspire. So the power, it is very important more and most people. Okay, so it is mean that kanji chikara. Okay, chikaraを合わせて頑張ろう. Let's work hard by becoming our strong, our power. Okay, so you go on talk about this kanji chikara. You know that the word chikara in katakana you can say ka. Chikara, okay? When you understand this word chikara, កម្លាំង okay, chikara. Example, this sentence I want to show you. This video talk about okay, this you can say, okay, this you can say. Okay, so example, this 入る opposite 入るで出る口出る口入る口 okay 出る口入る口 Okay, when you go somewhere at the airport, so you don't, when you don't understand this kanji will difficult. Hi Gucci, hi, hi Gucci, hi, hi Hari Gucci, de Gucci, de Gucci. Okay, de Gucci, de Gucci, hi Gucci. It is really important because that one sentences that talk about this kanji. Yeah, this kanji you can say that ni như ryoku. Ni như ryoku it is mean that enter. Yes, enter. You can say ni như ryoku. Ni như ryoku in Khmer you can say Joe. Okay, enter ni như ryoku. It is mean that like this. Example, I read that sentence example that ここに名前を入力してください。ここに名前を次は入力してください。ここに名前を入力してください。ここに名前を入力してくださいね。Please enter your name. Please enter your name here. Please enter your name here. Okay, please enter your name here. ここに名前を入力してくださいね。皆さん入力は上で please enter your name, please. ここに名前を入力してくださいね。次は、皆さん、この漢字は、これは女ですね。女と文章とこれは力とこれは小さい力、これは大きい力。この読み方は動力ね。動力。これは訓読みですね。力、これ動力。You know? 動力 it is mean that okay, make and forth. Okay, make an effort. It is mean that like this. So you try make an effort. Effort mean that try make an effort. In Khmer you can say that like this. Okay, 動力無駄な動力はない。無駄な動力はないね。Don't have any something dry and useful. 無駄な動力はない。មានការព្យាយាមមួយណាដែលថាអត់ប្រយោជន៍ទេ。無駄な動力はない。皆さんね、覚えておいてください。これは私はこの文章は大好きです。これは大切ですね。次は、動力 make an effort。example 皆さんで動力して荷物を運んだ。これは動力ですね。everyone so you drive 動力ね。動力。次は I want to this word when you work co-worker so you need this example that this word I love so much. Example that that okay 力これも力 and then okay big 力 it is mean that 協力 everyone you know the word 協力はね協 ryoku. Kyoryoku, it is mean cooperation. Cooperate. Cooperate, or you can say cooperation. Cooperation, yeah, cooperate. Cooperate in Khmer, sahaka. Sahaka. Or you can say that samaki. Okay, cooperation. Okay, cooperation. Okay, so chikara, you need chikara. It is mean cooperation. When you do something, you try to cooperation. Cooperation, Japan and Cambodia. Cooperation make any something. Okay, cooperation. Cooperation ね。協力。協力はみんなで協力して荷物を運んだ。It is mean 皆さん。Everyone cooperate to carry. Okay, this word. So before that, this video I want to review again. Say us that Korea chikara, and then ninyu chikara, and then as you know that this word that you just to study bunsho and chikara. Okay, this. When chikara, you understand chikara, okay, ninyu and doryoku. You know doryoku? Okay, doryoku ne. Ninyu ryoku. Chikara also. So you learn about power, power inter, power. Okay, power, and then inter. Okay, inter, and then make effort. Make effort. Make effort. And then cooperate. So you just to remember: number 1, chikara; number 2, inter; number 3, make an effort; and number 4, cooperation. At the first, this video you study about chikara, yeah, chikara, and chikara. Okay, on your meat and good your meat chikara.